Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into an in-depth review of the Honor Magic 7 Pro, a flagship smartphone that masterfully combines sleek design, powerhouse performance, and cutting-edge innovation. I'll be sharing my hands-on experience with this impressive device, covering everything from its stunning design and versatile cameras to its top-tier performance, rapid charging capabilities, and price point. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our exciting tech reviews. Alright, let's get started. When it comes to design, the Honor Magic 7 Pro stands out as a true testament to sophistication and craftsmanship. The device showcases elegant curves that seamlessly flow into its slim and lightweight profile, delivering both visual appeal and ease of use. Its premium glass back not only exudes luxury, but also feels smooth to the touch, while the robust aluminum frame provides excellent durability, making a great companion for daily adventures. Adding to its practical charm, the matte finish effectively resists fingerprints, keeping the device looking pristine at all times. Ergonomically designed, the Magic 7 Pro sits comfortably in your hand, even during extended usage sessions. To cater to diverse tastes, it comes in three stunning color options, like Lunar Shadow Gray, a timeless choice for minimalists. We have Breeze Blue, which exudes a refreshing and modern vibe, and Classic Black, a bold and sleek option for those who prefer understated elegance. With these choices, there's a style to perfectly match anyone's personality. Now let's talk about the display. The Honor Magic 7 Pro boasts a stunning 6.8-inch quad-curve LTPO OLED display with an impressive 2.8K resolution and an extraordinary peak brightness of 5000 nits, ensuring sharp, vibrant visuals even in direct sunlight. Equipped with HDR and Dolby Vision support, the screen brings colors to life with remarkable accuracy and depth, making it perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows or editing photos with precision. The 120Hz adaptive refresh rate ensures battery smooth scrolling, seamless animations, and an impressive gaming experience tailored to the content you're viewing. Adding to its allure, the ultra-thin bezels maximize the screen-to-body ratio, offering an edge-to-edge visual experience that feels truly cinematic. For added peace of mind, the display is protected by nanocrystal shield technology, delivering enhanced durability without compromising clarity. Moreover, photography enthusiasts are in for a treat with the Honor Magic 7 Pro's advanced triple camera system, designed to elevate your mobile photography experience. The 50-megapixel main sensor with self-adjusting aperture captures breathtaking detail and sharpness, excelling in both bright daylight and challenging low-light conditions. For those who love expansive shots, the 50-megapixel ultrawide lens lets you capture stunning landscape, architecture, or group photos with ease, all while maintaining exceptional clarity. The showstopper, however, is the 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, offering an impressive 3x optical zoom and up to 100 times digital zoom, allowing you to capture distant subject in incredible detail. On the front, the 50-megapixel selfie camera, ensuring stunning portraits with natural depth and supports AI-driven beautification for flawless selfies, paired with the 3D depth camera for facial unlock. Plus, with 4K video recording capabilities, it's perfect for vlogging or video calls with outstanding quality. Whether you're snapping photos or shooting videos, the Magic 7 Pro delivers a versatile and professional-grade experience. The Magic 7 Pro sets a new standard for smartphone performance with its cutting-edge hardware. At its core lies the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built on an advanced 10nm architecture. This powerhouse chipset delivers industry-leading speed and efficiency, ensuring lightning-fast performance across all tasks. Complementing this is a generous 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, providing ample headroom for seamless multitasking, while the 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage offers ultra-fast read and write speed for smooth app launches, file transfers, and media storage. This hardware combination makes the Magic 7 Pro an exceptional device for demanding users. Whether you're editing high-resolution 4K videos, diving into the most graphics-intensive mobile games, or running multiple applications simultaneously, this phone handles it all effortlessly. To ensure sustained performance, the Magic 7 Pro is equipped with an advanced cooling system, which effectively manages heat dissipation to keep the device running smoothly even during prolonged heavy usage sessions. On the benchmark front, the Magic 7 Pro delivers an extraordinary performance score, surpassing an impressive 2.6 million on Antutu. This benchmark achievement underscored its prowess, placing it among the top-tier devices in the market. With such robust capabilities, the Magic 7 Pro is a true flagship designed to meet and exceed the expectations of power users and tech enthusiasts alike. One of the outstanding features of Magic 7 Pro is the battery and charging. Equipped with Honor's 3rd generation silicon carbon 5850 mAh battery, the Magic 7 Pro is built to last through a full day of intensive use. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working, you can count on its endurance. When it's time to recharge, the 100-watt supercharge gets you back to 100% in just 33 minutes. Plus, the device supports 80 watts wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, giving you the flexibility for all your power needs. Running on Magic OS 9.0 based on Android 15 with 5 major Android updates, the Magic 7 Pro offers a seamless and highly customizable user experience. Key features include an advanced AI engine for smarter task automation, improved privacy controls, and multi-screen collaboration for enhanced productivity. The system is optimized for efficiency, ensuring smooth performance across all apps and services. With a price of 4,000 dirhams here in Dubai, the Honor Magic 7 Pro offers exceptional value for its blend of cutting-edge design, top-tier performance, and versatile features. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a photography lover, or someone seeking a reliable flagship, this device ticks all the boxes. Alright, that's for today's review of the Magic 7 Pro. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this kind of review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.